Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign in and sign out on Fashion Nova. Before that, make sure you are connected with your internet and tap on Fashion Nova and again tap on Fashion Nova. So at the left hand side corner, you can see shop, tap on it, and there you can see my account, tap on it, and there you can see email and password, tap on email and then type your email and then your password and then tap on sign in. So you can see my account has been successfully signed in. To sign out, you can see at the right hand side corner sign out sign, tap on it and then tap on OK. So you can see our account has been successfully signed in as well as sign out. Hope this video helped you guys. Please like, share, comment and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you.